Here at Jack Neal's shop, not only will he repair your car, but he will air dry it too.
Air dry, yeah, I'll blow dry your hair too. Gotta get it right.
We don't know when, we don't know how,
but we know how to fix it.
Somehow a little rodent got up here and decided to nibble on these two wires.
It was gnawing.
Yeah.
He was not invited.
Yeah. All the thousands of wires on this car, those two right there were the tastiest.
Did you mention idle air control sensor?
Oh yeah. The car was a bucking and a jerking, and God showed us.
Did you mention the PO112 code and the PO113 code?
Yeah.
Okay, you did. Okay.
God showed you that, and God showed me the wiring chewed off.
That's right.
Thank God.
By taking the air filter out, it exposed the location of the IAC.
Yeah. Ain't God good?
Yeah, that's really different. That's wonderful. And we can put this right back in the loom here, and we can pretend like we know what we're doing.
That's right.
Because it works. And that's the part I like. Amen.
Here at Jack's shop, you get what you want and you'll like it.
No matter how many toolkits we have to use.
That's right.
We have several toolkits out here. So.
Several. That's right. You got to have every tool known to man and woman.
Conceivably known to mankind.
That's right.